Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and these are the features and sounds of the Drum Factory SDX from Toontrack. This expansion for Superior Drummer 3 sees brand new MIDI and 7 drum kits recorded at La Fabrique Studios in France by Sylvia Massy. So with 4 wide-ranging rooms, there are a lot of sounds to be had using the Drum Factory SDX, including the enormous arcade space, as well as the dark room, which has a 10-metre high ceiling, as well as the mill, which is a stone room, and this room here, the library, which you can hear is a lot tighter and more focused in a smaller wooden room, which also houses 2 very distinctive drum kits, including this Speedfire kit with its distinctive steam-bent shells. And because it's a Toontrack SDX, you also get a selection of MIDI as well that is exclusive to this particular expansion. And a number of the kits also have stick and brush articulations as well. And of course I can use a huge range of MIDI from the other SDXs available in the series, and I can even use Easy Drummer MIDI as well. But because it's SDX, I also get a huge number of channels to choose from. And if I just go back into the enormous arcades space, one of the standout sounds has to be access to the fantastic ambiences that you get using the Drum Factory SDX. And with Sylvia Massy at the helm, there are a ton of experimental sounds and lo-fi sounds to be had there as well. Loving this crunchy tape flavour. And also these highly distinctive telephone and hose sounds as well. And there are a ton of mixer presets as well, from Toontrack themselves, but also from Sylvia Massy. But all in all, a highly versatile range of lo-fi and hi-fi contemporary sounds recorded in a number of world-class spaces with loads of drums and MIDI on offer as well. So those are the features and sounds of the Drum Factory SDX from Toontrack. To find out what the experts think about the Drum Factory SDX, head on over to the Production Expert blog where you can read our full expert review.